today's video we're going on a creature hunting part 1. Ay, part 0 pala. So, di pa tayo nakahuli. We're gonna look for a creature that's it's like a worm. So, today's video, magki-creature hunting tayo. Directed by Jaira. So, kapag ako makakita ng before we start, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and like this video. So, we're gonna start. Yes, maghahanap ako ng 5 creatures bago mag-stop tong vlog ko. Kasi you know what's gonna rain. It's already raining. Umaambon na. So, ayun. We're on the farm. Maghahanap ako ng creatures. So, bibilang tayo ng 5. Subscribe! 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. And like, and turn on the notification bell. Done. Thank you very much. Let's go. Sa food. Ay, sa para siyang food, pero parang patay na siya. Oh. Patay na. So, at least nakahanap tayo ng creature. 1. Lasak. Is this a creature? Yeah. Nakita na tayo ng worm. Hindi na natin dadagdag kapag nakikita pa tayo ng worm. We're looking around to Mama's farm. Joke lang. So, they're right there. Nag-aano sila. You know, like, nag-go-kart para sa tanim. You know, Mama's farm. And then, oh my god, guys, I didn't realize that there was a caterpillar. Ano po na rice cooker? Sorry! Sorry na! Sorry na! Sorry na! Kawawa. Kalain mo. Makarama ako. Nabasa ng loob.